There are some people in this life, from morning till night, they are always with their phone. They are always pressing their phones. Like if they are doing anything in the house, they are always with their phone. They will only keep their phone when they are sleeping. Even when they are sleeping, small thing, piam, they are awake. If they are going to toilet, they are with their phone. They are cooking, they are with their phone. They are walking on the road, they are with their phone. Please, if you have somebody like this, tag that person in the comment section, but nobody should mention my name. If you know anybody that is always with her phone or his or her phone, tag that person under the comment section, because this thing is getting out of hand. Like seriously, they are always on their phone. Ha!